your time to get everything seated nicely in there. Get this one seated. Just flip it over like that again. Same thing. The hole that's closest to the front. Align it to the front of the front leg. Tap it into place. So it's even. Tap the back one down. Make sure all your tendons are tight. Drive your screws in. Like so. That. I generally like to get my backs started first. They can be more holes to line up. You see when I'm pounding, I'm trying to pound directly over the top of those tendons. That way that force is being exerted here. If you hit it here or hit it over here, then it's pretty easy to bust that because all that force would be put in there and squeaking on that. So now, with the screws we have remaining here, what we want to do is put those screws in our major joints. So the joints are this arm rail, this joint here, coming down into the leg. So you want to go through into the tendon first, into the tendon, not into the, say, the back log here. Don't go into this log, but go into the end of that tendon and down in through the center of that log. When you do that, you just want to make sure before you do it, it's best to lay it down before you start doing the legs. Standing up. This one's not quite tight. Okay. So if you can see that angle, go through this end of the tendon. That. One down through the handrail. Armrest, I mean. All these major joints. Use a number 2 Phillips head for the construction. this rear, something else giving me a little bit of a fit. Turn it around. Drive it on there in order to get it to seat nicely while I screw it there. See? Nice solid construction, nice rocking motion. Mountain Sky Furniture is located in Manhattan, Montana. We build interior, exterior furniture. Take pride in what we do. We ship them all over the United States. Great companies like Murdoch's carries our products, and sell on Amazon and eBay. Lots of different designs. If you have anything custom that you want, please contact us on our website, or you can give us a call on everything's listed on our website. Thank you for viewing, and if you have any questions on assembly, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email. We can certainly help you out with any questions you have. Thank you. Have a nice day.